Tirándolo para arriba.
Yeah. Boom. Yo, crazy setup, huh? No cases. Like. Damn. Hey yo, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Hector AP in the building. You already know the vibes, you already know what it is. Yo, if you're new to our channel, smash that like button, bro. All we have here is bangers, bro. In today's video, we're gonna be merging my car with my gaming setup, you feel me? And having them together. Because something I just thought of, like I love gaming and I love my web, you feel me? And I had to have it customized and everything, yeah. So I decided, why not have on their own game station? And that's what we're gonna do today, bro. So make sure you smash the like button, bro, and stay tuned to the banger, because we're gonna go big, bro. We going big, like I keep telling you. So don't, like how I say this, don't miss out on your boy, you feel me? Just go big and go for what you want, bro. You feel me? Grind and now shine later, bro. You feel me? You just gotta grind now, shine later, bro. You just go like that, bro. That's just the way. It's like in silence, everything is prosperous. Yeah, so this is my web. This is the one we're gonna be using. You feel me? You already seen it in my last video. If you haven't, make sure y'all go and watch that video, my car collection video, bro. You feel me? Just gotta get it right. But this is it right here. My gaming is right here. You feel me? I got all the equipment right there for the gaming. This is where the magic is gonna happen. You feel me? This is where we're gonna have everything set up, and then we just gonna go 24 hours. Well, we about to do a 24 hours. We're gonna be doing a 24 hours car video, but we're not really gonna do a 24 hours video. You feel me? Like what we're gonna be doing. So basically what we're gonna be doing, we have the setup. It's gonna be like an on the road setup type of vibe. You feel me? We just gotta get active with it. You just gotta go big with it. And let me give you this cold start real quick. I know y'all wanna hear that. I know y'all love that sound, bruh. So now let's get back to it. Yeah, so stay tuned and just watch the process, how everything goes. Let's go. Come on,
Tirándolo para arriba para que vaya.
I'm gonna get back to you when everything is set up. You feel me? Stay tuned to that vibe, bruh.
A few moments later.
Yo, what's good? We back, bro. We got it. We got everything on lock. You feel me? We got finished everything. I'm about to show you the setup, how it's looking right now, bro. So come with me, and let's get this store in, bro. Slide, bro. Right here, bro. No kisses. Yeah. Boom. Yo, crazy setup, huh? No kisses. Like, you feel me? I got a little start lights. They not even that visible, you feel me? Let me see. Oh, this is the setup right here, bro. We got it locked, bro. So you already see, you have to see that vibe. Just see how we coming, bro. Like, let's turn up this. Here. And right here. Oh, we is back, bro. We got that setup. We got our other camera over there. That's good. Exactly. I know cap. We got the setup right here, bro. Everything's coming together. Stay tuned to the banger, and then see everything starts to load up, bro. No kisses. This is a little studio right here. This is literally a little studio right here. I got that. You feel me? Like, see, let me stay tuned. We got the Travis Scott right here with Fortnite actor type thing. PS4. I'm gonna have a little setup right here. And I don't even know how I drove you back in the day. You feel me? High temperature. About to cool down. So this camera just died, bro, unfortunately, but that ain't gonna stop the vibe. You feel me? We just gotta go big. We just gotta go get it, bro. Just gotta stay tuned. So stay tuned for it. I'm like, let's let it load up, and then right here, we live, bro. You feel me? This is our little chill spot right here. You feel me? Game, we can do whatever, bro. And let me just tell you real quick right now. If y'all got socks on, smash that like video, bro. Cause we going big. No kisses, we going big. So if y'all got socks on, if you got no socks on, make sure you select that video, bro. Smash the like button, bro. And we are through. I'ma show y'all when like I'm playing the game, you feel me? I'ma just give y'all like a little turn of that too. So, but if you like that video so far, bro, make sure you subscribe, comment, and smash the like button, bro. And share it with your friends, bro. So that community gotta go big. So let's go. Let's get active. I'm gonna show you a little of my cars that I got only for speed, bro. Cause like, come on now. I literally got the vibes out here, bro. Let's see if this tongue holding up. Here. So this one's ready. But now we just gonna stay with y'all. Unless y'all want a better view. Come on now. About. So this is my Nissan, bro. This Nissan OD. Yo, see, I got a few car collection here. I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite ones right here. Look. I got a few. We got the GTR right here. Got the Mazda, the Mazdeezy. Load it up. I fuck with this one heavy. This truck, I don't know. I fuck with it, bro. It's kind of vibe. You feel me? La Perla, La Parita. No cap, bro. Damn, I'm broke on this game, bro. No cap. Let me see this one. Oh, the range. You know we gotta go all with the range. Give it that chrome color. No cap. So I'm sweating like a bug. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see that, bro? Come on now. Y'all see that? Okay. Nah, I got one of those. Fully wrapped. With the McLaren. I don't even fuck with the McLaren like that. No cap. Let me see. I got a few drip in here. The Volkswagen? What that Volkswagen talking about? Yeah, that Volkswagen is fully wrapped, bro. You gotta represent, No cap. Yo, but no cap. I fuck this setup right here. Looking nice. I got space. I got like a lot of other shit. I'm not going a quick way. Oh yeah, I fuck with this one. This is one that I use the most. The Porsche. No way we think about go out with the Porsche and see what's up. Come on now. You know what? Let's go on night. Come on now. Let's have us a little chase with our PD, bro. Yo, let's get it about. Yo, Need for Speed take forever to load. Okay. No kisses. Let's hit up night. Let's see what night talking about. Come on, I got the handles for it, bro. Come on now. Where's he be at? Let's see. Right here. He be right here. Let's go. God damn, escaping already? Damn, PD don't play. Nah, it's time to zoom on them. God damn. Yo, So you feel me? And that flag look nice. All my cars almost got a flag in this game, bro. I know cap. Alright, that's a little bit of that Universe Speed, you feel me? We got big. Yo, so it's what's 2K22 talking about? I don't know, bro. I got a few games out here, I don't know. Probably give you a little bit of GTA, but like, not gonna be now, bro. That's gonna be later on. So just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Yo, what is good? Now it's night, you feel me? We repeat the vibe, so we got it. Yo, we stood here for a minute playing a few games, you feel me? This actually, it's comfortable as hell, bro, and it's unique. Look, let me show ya. Sweet. The whole setup. We got the starlight now, I can see it more, you feel me? It's kind of raining, bro. So, I could just like, easily just go, boop, close it. Hey, this is a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe out here, bro. All luck. Like just start playing and enjoy the game, bro. No kisses. And what should we play? 2K, Cold, bro. Come on now. Let's see. Oh, we got GTA on the cup. I'm a GTA fiend. Let's start here. Let's keep here. And let's go to the garage. Damn, I can't even go to the garage no more. But this setup look nice, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. Hey, y'all, I got the ring cut me, but I'm chilling. I'm chilling because I got the vibe right here. I got it going on. You feel me? Yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. Stay tuned. Good. Bow.